Bonafide Hustler here, another thrift vlog, and it's gonna start right away. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, comes to you live from the inside of my garage. I'm about to sell something I'm gonna show you in 1 second. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. You can get the free money making guide right here. It's the first link down below. It'll teach you 50 items that you can look for at thrift stores and garage sales that you can sell for more money. That's a great guide. Okay, so the very first item, it's gonna sell here within minutes and someone's coming over. I better show it to you. It was actually on a previous vlog. And that is this Beefeater light box right here. I found it on a vlog, a garage sale vlog, the one before this one, for $5. You know, pretty cheap, worked and everything. And someone wants to pick it up for $50 locally. That's a pretty sweet deal considering I haven't even owned this thing for a week. It's only been 5 days since that garage sale vlog, or since I filmed the garage sale where I found this thing. And yeah, you know, $45 extra money, I'm gonna take it. All right, looks like the guy is here to pick up the Beefeater sign. Let's get it sold. Hey, here it is. There's also an outlet back here where I can test things out, you know? So the guy that bought it, actually, it's not going in a man cave, it's going into a bar. So he likes that, and so he likes Beefeater, gin, you know? And he wanted it. 50 crisp bucks, I'll take it. From the thrift store today, I actually popped on this for $17. These things, which are basically glazed pots, and this is a pretty big one, this can sell between about 80 and 100 bucks locally. You can usually find them new for around 110 to about 140. But this is a nice red colored one. You always want to look for cracks and stuff like that. But this one's in great condition. It probably weighs like 50 something pounds. It's no joke. But yeah, found this at a Goodwill today. Might decide to keep it for myself, but also might post it locally. Why not? All right, a couple days down the road, and we're gonna be selling this Trek 7100. I picked it up on a previous vlog for $150, I think, maybe even $100. But either way, this thing's gonna sell for right around $250. Has a rack on the back. Really cool SRAM shifters as well. There we go, love that. And this Suntour fork. I'm not sure that this is even stock, but either way, it's got some cool upgrades if it isn't stock. And it's got a great drivetrain. Yeah, $250 is what I'm asking. And someone should be coming down the cul-de-sac pretty soon to pick it up. Gotta be like 100 degrees here in Austin, Texas. It is so hot, crazy. But it's still amazing biking weather. I bike every evening. And yeah, so, you know, biking's still a big thing. And it's one of the reasons why people want bikes in the summertime, because you can just ride around and sweat it out. So still a great thing to resell, some bikes to bucks. And we'll get that person coming down the cul-de-sac and have some cash in the hand pretty soon. All right, looks like a car just pulled up. Let's see if we can get this bike sold. Okay, they're putting it in their SUV right now. I got the money right here. And that's pretty much how it goes down. We got $260 right here. They actually paid me $10 more to hold it until a time frame in the day where I was gonna be home anyway. But I mean, fair enough. They paid me to hold the bike for them, so I did. I didn't sell it to anyone else from under them, you know, so that was cool. We have $260, so basically, I forget what I paid for that bike. I think it might be $150, but could be $100. I have to go look at the vlog. But either way, it's good bikes to bucks profit. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we were 1 day later and picked up this after going to the Springs in town, after garage selling and after, you know, just laying out. I was looking at Facebook Marketplace and I picked this 7.2 FX Trek, which is like an urban hybrid bike. Really good condition, 120 bucks, and it should resell for around $350, maybe $400. It's a good colorway, good size. But yeah, a Trek 7.2 FX, urban commuter, pretty fast rolling tires, great condition, no crazy dings, dents, scratches. She said she rode it 8 times. I think I might believe her on that one. Pretty cool bike right there, rapid fire shifters as well. All right, so from a Savers yesterday, it was actually behind a glass case. I bought these things for $43. They were $50. I had a 20% off coupon. 43 bucks. These are Doc Martens with the actual rose embroidery. The bottoms look incredible, as you can see, and that's the main thing when I buy Docs. First of all, you want to make sure that they're real, and you can kind of tell because, I mean, fake ones are just so hard and they're not plush at all. But these are definitely originals. They look good, and they are in perfect condition. So yeah, I like them a lot. They remind me of the Dr. Martens or the Doc Marten Triumph models, which are almost all floral all the way through, but they're not embroidered. It's just a print, and it's all the way through the inside of the boot, sometimes even on the outside. But these were cool because they're embroidered and they're on the outside, right? They got roses right there. So yeah, nice find from Savers. And right now I'm about to go to the gym, hit legs, but I'm also going to bring a bike to the gym that I bought for $100 Listed it for 280. Someone's offered me 250, so kind of cool. Very easy bike, 3-speed internal hub, nothing crazy. It's a cruiser bike. I'll show it to you here in 1 second. Also in this thing, going out to USPS, we have a pair of Speedplay Zero pedals. These are very small pedals that came on a bike that I already became super profitable on. That bike was, I think was 150 or 175. I think I ended up selling it for 900 cash. Took these pedals off, and these pedals sold for $79 cash. They're called Speedplay Zero pedals. So we got bikes to bucks and pedals to bucks too. Pedals to bucks. That's the next guide coming out, guys. But yeah, let me go get this bike from the backyard, and we're gonna throw it. We're gonna throw it on top of the little micro chickpea shopping cart spaceship over there. Here is the bike that should sell today. It's a Linus kind of like 3-speed step-through frame cruiser. Nice bike, Continental tires, really cool bike rack. And yeah, real pretty kind of cream colored paint with the leather or fake leather kind of seat and grips. And it has a bell on top too. You can kind of see it right there. Nice bike, 100 bucks. Picked it up on the way down to the Springs one day to lay out. And here we go. It's like 3 or 4 weeks later. We have it here and it's gonna sell. Okay, so I got to the gym and I went to the parking lot and the guy liked the bike. So what I did is I gave the bike to him. And he wanted to pay me through Venmo and I was like, I only take cash. So now he's getting cash. I'm in this cafe and it's been like 15 minutes and he hasn't shown up yet. He better show up. But this is the part that I don't like too much just because it's smoking up time of my day, right? I'm gonna try to pick up a bike around noon. It's already like 10:25. I'd really like to get my day back under control. It's kind of hard to do when you're waiting for something like this. So I started working out, but I saw the guy come and I saw him through the windows. So he pulled up. It's time to get this money. A little frustrating, but it's not the end of the world. And back to the workout I go. We have 250 cash right here. Looks good to me. Let's get on with the day and see if we can find some more things. Outside of a Goodwill, but more importantly, I picked up this bike just now, $135. This is a Trek DS model, meaning a dual sport. You kind of tell the DS models because they have kind of chunkier tires, but they're still, you know, pretty thin. This bike is really good for gravel path. Perfect for this town, very wanted kind of bike. Resale probably $350, $400. This one's in really good condition too. So yeah, I'm gonna take all this random stuff off and get this thing sold. I don't know, maybe in like 2 or 3 weeks, but we'll get into the Goodwill and see if we find anything in there. Okay, I walked out buying this gold kind of framed mirror. It's rectangle style, which I just sold a rectangle one like 2 weeks ago. I need one in the booth. Got a little hazy because it's really, really hot out here. It's very cold inside the store. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm probably gonna drop it at the booth today. There's no reason why I would take it home. Yeah, the last one I sold like 2 or 3 weeks ago, it was $2 at a garage sale and it sold for like 100, maybe a little bit more. So this one right here, I'm gonna ask about the same amount of money. I spent $19 on it today. Still pretty good. I think I'm gonna eke out about $70 to $80 in profit, something like that. And just like that, we're at the antique mall. I'm gonna drop off the mirror that I just bought like 30 minutes ago. And we're gonna go into the Bonafide Hustler booth, which is right here. Look at all this cool stuff. Oh my Lord, mirrors everywhere because mirrors sell in this booth. Got so much cool stuff here now. Holy moly. Okay, so short vlog. I'm actually editing it right now so I can get it out to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. A lot of bike stuff, but there are some mirrors to bucks in this vlog. I got it now. I see it now. But I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, just hit the like button. And I'm going to edit 2 more vlogs like right now. So I hope you enjoy those 2 when they come out too. But not a bad day or series of days, right? Comment down below. I want to see it. Take it easy. Goodbye.